So hi guys, I'm back again with a new cat toy. So yeah, Sheru is here and this is a cat toy from Trixie. So this is a wind up mouse. Okay, so I wanted something a little bit movable guys on itself, so Sheru will like it. Okay, so guys, sorry for my voice because I had a fever and I'm little bit down, so that's why. But so this price is 295, no discount, guys, because this is a latest toy. So guys, let's test this toy. Let's unbox it. So guys, this looks like a beautiful toy, guys. Soft from outside, has ears, has eye-like thing, has a good tail. Okay, guys. So this feels like a two wheels. So this toy is made up of plastic and metal parts, as mentioned. So guys, let's test this thing. The Sheru is already near. He got an idea. Something is there for him. Hehe. So guys, I have wind this up and I will. Wow, it is moving on its own and it is taking turns also, guys. Cool toy. So guys, Sheru has noted his movement. I just cancelled the video, but he has started playing with the toy, guys. Interesting toy, guys. Because I thought that it will go only straight direction, but this is going in the zigzag path, which will make it all more interesting, guys. So guys, beautiful toy. Let's check again. And see the pose of Sheru. It can understand. Okay, it can understand. See, he got interested in it, and yeah, he is playing. So yeah, guys, your pet may take time to play with this toy, but yeah, guys, I liked it. Good toy. So sorry for my best, but yeah, man, good toy. I liked it.